Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to Evergreen Garden. Today we gonna talk about a very beautiful leafy plant and it has shiny green leaves with burgundy undersides. A variegated form is more common in the nursery trade. This is an evergreen shrub with arcing branches. I have seen plants 3 or 4 feet tall, but it is reported to be able to grow to 6 feet tall. Typical plants have opposite shiny green leaves with burgundy undersides. Plants may be grown from seeds or cuttings. Many should be propagated by cuttings. My variegated plant grows slowly but steadily in a large container with afternoon shades. It is a selection known as firestorm. It is slower growing than the typical green leafed form and sometimes a shoot will revert to green leaves. Execaria is a plant genus of the family Euphorbias, formerly described by Linnaeus in 1759. The genus is native to the Old World tropics. Execaria bicolor is a very colorful plant, rich stubble shades of greens, whites, and reds. The combination is a symphony, a brilliant lacquered red beneath and the arcing woody stems. It is a bit brittle and sap can be irritating, especially to the eyes. So best handle carefully and not a plant to put close to a walkway but otherwise it is a very attractive and pest free plant. It can be grown indoors as a house plant or greenhouse plant and outdoors to add interest and contrast. This plant variety, Execaria variety, grows better in the summer in the shades. In winter, it is desirable to keep on the southern windows. With a lack of light, variegated leaves can become uniformly colored, and when the lighting exists, they become brown shade. It is desirable to have high humidity and regular spraying, especially in hot conditions. Regular watering is required as the surface layers of the soil dry out in summer. Depending on the temperature, it should be more frequent in winter, less often when the soil has dried to half the depth. Do not pour cold water, it should be soft and steady for a plant. Both hollow drying and excessive water with stagnant moisture are very harmful. But the main thing is how to fertilize this plant. See, this is my other asparagus fern. How beautiful is this? And the main thing come in our mind how to fertilize this plant. During the growth period, every 2 weeks use a full mineral fertilizer. However, an excess of nitrogen can lead to a weakening of the color variability of the leaves. Every leafy plant required many, uh, you can say, full of nitrogen minerals. This is easy growing plant. See, this is money plant. How beautiful their leaves. This is easy growing plant, easily propagated by cutting. Propagation by semi woody cuttings and air layers. So you can propagate this plant easily. This is a perfect plant for hanging basket. And spring usually requires pruning for better branching, thickening, and rejuvenating the plant. You can grow this plant in hanging basket. It looks beautiful. As far as watering is concerned, new plantings should be watered daily for a couple of weeks. See, this is hanging planters. If you have short of space, so you can use many planters and you have propagate many plants too. As I am propagating many plants in planters, and this is hanging planters, and it is very you can say beneficial. So after that, depending on the weather and soil type, watering can be adjusted to every 2 or 3 days. Clay soils hold moisture longer than sandy soils, so expect to water more frequently in sandy settings. As I have grown my Execaria plant in sandy soil, I have taken 30 to 40 um, uh, percent of sandy soil, and rest of the amount is for manure and normal garden soil. So I have watered it daily, and it is a plant, you can say, um, it is an indoor plant, but you can water it daily. As we know about that, we cannot water daily in my indoor plants, but this plant you can water it daily. So this is the plant, you can keep it indoor or outdoor both, but do not keep in direct sun. In the morning sun, in the morning you can keep in the sun for 1 or 2 hours, but in the afternoon avoid to keep it in direct sunlight. Best foliage plant and beautiful color texture on leaves, looks so beautiful, and it is a beautiful important house plant. And the best thing is, you can give this plant to anyone, to any of your relatives or friends. It is a beautiful plant, we can say. And plants nature, this plant's nature is indoor, semi shade, alternate day watering. Guys, if you are liking my videos, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, because I need your support, and I would love to connect with you, as I am giving all of your answers. So uh, please stay with us, and thank you.